Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we need to talk about a situation with AliExpress. I know this isn't explicitly their issue, but it kind of is in a way, and I'm going to talk about that here. Mostly it's the seller that's selling on AliExpress, but it's AliExpress that allows sellers like this to happen. And I just want to let you guys know or be aware of certain things that can happen. Obviously, this is on me, and I kind of knew this going in because it was more of an experiment. Because I did order stuff from AliExpress before, always got what I received, which is usually like dollar items that are just kind of like knickknacks and those kind of things. It's just fun things to get, which I may do videos in the future of those. Super cool. Like, obviously, it's neat to get cool things like that from AliExpress, but the thing that you want to bring into things like this, I went ahead and ordered like this laser cart here. This is kind of just like a tool bench. I wanted to get it for a laser here. Obviously seemed too good to be true. It looks like it was originally 40 bucks. They had the super sale on it and it was down to $15. So I was fully expecting it to be a scam probably, which it turned out to be a scam. So obviously I'm not surprised there, but the reason why I'm kind of making this video is just to bring more awareness to like all the members of my laser community that order like materials through there. You have to be extremely careful. And even when you're extremely careful, sometimes they just blatantly write out exactly what the item is, even though the item isn't that. And you're probably wondering what I got from the mail from it. It was this right here. I'm going to show you in just a second what that was. And we're going to go in a little bit more in depth with that here. But the reason why I say this is kind of on AliExpress is just the fact that they allow all these sellers to do it. Like, these are all still active listings right here that are very similar to that same thing. And obviously, you would expect it to be a scam. Too good to be true. You can dump on me in the comments. I knew this going in. So, like I said, this was just kind of an experiment. But I will give them props. They went ahead and they refunded it instantly. So luckily, I didn't have to stick around for weeks like some people did say they had to do with like refunds. So my other question is why allow sellers to go on there like this in the first place without vetting them? And I know you can't vet everybody. And then the sellers that go on there, what's the purpose of doing it if AliExpress is just going to reverse that transaction? In theory, you would think that you're losing money in shipping. I don't know if they're just expecting that the people who get scammed in these situations don't just do a refund, and then they end up getting that money and they just keep it going until they get reported, and then that shop gets shut down and then they start up again. But you would think after AliExpress shuts down that page, like they did in this situation with mine, you would be banned by VPN or however they're doing it. I don't know how they do it or get around it to start up another shop there, but probably a VPN. But you think that there would be some way that they can block that seller from reselling again. But in general, I know what you guys are wanting to, you're curious what's in this little package here. This little package was a little rubber ball toy. It was, I know it's kind of comical. It was just something that I kind of wanted to experiment and see if that too good to be true was in fact a good deal there. Because if you look at some of the other listings on their site, similar to this, they also have like $100 carts or $80 carts, which are more in line with reality. But if the price was at $40 already, I was thinking maybe it was already half off, and then it'd be too good to be true to get that $15 deal, which obviously that is a really good deal. If you guys seen my previous laser table, it's just a large metal cart out in my shop. I do a lot of videos in front of it. That table was only like 200 bucks from Sam's Club there. So that was actually a really good deal. The reason why it was that is it came in real flat metal sheets. I had to bend every single metal sheet to form the drawers, put all the actual wheels on it, and rebuild it from a flat box. That's the reason why they could do it that cheap. That's what I was kind of fully expecting to come in the mail if it was actually going to be not a scam. But like I said, with it being kind of an experiment here, I was expecting just a real piece of metal. I was not expecting a little toy in the mail. It was an interesting experience to say the least. But I do thank AliExpress for refunding that right away. And if AliExpress, if you have any questions or you want me to help you in some way that can help, just contact me as well. Like I said, I appreciate that, but there's got to be a way that you guys kind of vet some of these sellers beforehand. But in all of that, I know this is kind of an out there video that's not in line with most of my laser engraving stuff, but I thought you guys would find it interesting. And yeah, other than that, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Feel free to hate on me if you want to. That's cool too. Like I said, it was just an experiment, and it's just something I wanted to share with you guys. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next one.